Alright everyone, today I'm going to share a simple design tutorial for beginners using Canva elements to create a travel poster for branding. Example, let's say I have a design brief to brand a tourist destination, for example Bali, as a fun family vacation spot for international travelers. Please create a flyer for this purpose. Okay, to keep it simple, I will prepare this following. First, icon from the tourist destination. For Bali, I will take the Uludanu temple. And the main element is a family in a cheerful pose. I will choose a family carrying colorful suitcase. And then for the supporting element, we can include a beach sand, coconut tree, and frangipani flowers. Now let's work on the design. First, I will add the Uludanu temple photo here. I will duplicate it and I will add a circle frame. So I will insert this photo to the circle frame and then double click on it. I will increase the size and then I will place it here so it will be a pop out. Okay, and then I will move it to front and reduce the transparency. I will increase the size. Press your control button and drag it here. Reduce a little. Okay. And then set the transparency back to 100 and choose BG remover. Now crop the front image. Okay, now select them and group it. I will place it here. I will reduce a little. Okay. Now I will add a coconut tree. I will reduce the size and place it here. Okay. I will add a sand element. I will increase the width like that. And then I will add this frangipani flower or plumeria tropical flower. I will place it here and send backward. Duplicate, reduce the size and place it here. And then I will add the main element, which is the family, happy family with a colorful suitcase. Remove the background. And then I will place it here. Now I will select them all and group them. I will reduce a little and place it in the center. And then let's add some text here. I will add a tagline. For example, bring cheerful to your family. I will increase the size a little and then change the color to this orange. And then I will go to effect, make it curve like this. Okay. And then I will type a text. Visit. I will duplicate and type here Bali. So I will make the Bali is a bold text. So I will use thick font like Archivo Black. And I will make the visit slim font like this Canva Sans and with no bold. Okay. Now let's get closer. Okay, I will make it here. Okay, and then I will change the color. For example, I will change it to this teal color. And the visit I will change to navy blue. Now let's make them bigger. So to make it this poster not too flat, let's add another element. I will use this blue curved corner. I will place it here. I will reduce the size like this. And then I will add a call to action here. A call to action will be a QR code like this. So the QR code will send the audience to a website or something. Okay, and then you can add like your government logo here. I will choose just this travel logo. Okay, so this is the tutorial. Feel free to ask me about another Canva tutorial and see you next video. Have fun with Canva.